Janine from Design by Denine. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk a little bit about DIY candle holders. So these are dollar store, well mostly dollar store, or Dollar Tree or Dollarama or dollar something. So a lot of people, I've seen a lot of people do these with your little dollar store, these little vases, which I freaking love. They're so good for so many things, especially in the craft room. And then the candlestick holders that you get from dollar store. Well, my dollar store didn't really have any of those, so I decided to go hunting at the thrift store. And you know, you can find some way better stuff at the thrift store. So here's kind of what you want to look for. These are my very favorites. These are super cool. These are little, I think they're candle holders. Originally I thought they were like little sherry glasses, which maybe they could be. Maybe I should sample it before I make it into a candle holder. Anyways, they're really heavy. I'm not sure if they're crystal, but they're just super duper pretty. You can take this and that's beautiful. Or you could get a little bit more blingy. And this is also Dollar Tree ribbon. This guy's a little bit dusty actually, because I did this one a little while ago. And you can go like that. Fabulous, yes. So here's what I think you want to look for when you're hunting at the thrift store for candle bottoms. Candlestick bottoms? Bottoms. A cup with a really good flare on it. So this one is perfect. I love this so much. Here's a similar kind of a cup. I think I paid like 50 cents each for these. You could do this kind of a top, or you could do one of these. Okay, this is super fun, hey? Check this out. So I also got that at the dollar store. So that's kind of fun. And you could fill the bottom of this with some glittery rocks. And the other ones that I really, really like are these. Yeah, everything needs a dust because they came from the secondhand store. So these are like a little aperitif or shot glass, and they also have like a nice really flared top on them, so they work really well with these. Pretty, yes. This guy, that's cool. That one looks good. I like that. And I got a bigger one over here too. This might be a bit tall for this one. Might still be nice. So I'm going to make a couple of these up. I'm just showing you a whole bunch of options here. So I'm going to make a couple of these up, and I'm going to try this, see how it works. I'll let you know. You could also use silicone. So here are some things that I thought would work really good, but then in retrospect, I don't think worked that well. So I bought these little guys. I thought they'd be really awesome, but I don't know. They look a little fat. I don't really love them. Nope. So I'll have to save those puppies for another project or just drinks. And this is another one that I thought would be really good. It's a little crystal wine glass. I think my mother had this exact same set actually. And I thought it would be really good because of the pretty crystal. How fun is that? The design on it, but it's kind of too, I don't know, maybe you like that. If you like that, then you go grab yourself some of those, because these puppies are a dime a dozen at the secondhand store. Most of these little glasses, I paid like $1 for. Like, yeah, these ones were $1. But it's orange tag, and orange tags were 50% off. So I paid 50 cents for them. So yeah. Or hey, if you're looking to add to your wine glass collection, there you go. I had intended to use this under these sort of little fishbowl-y ones. So you can see. Kind of just looks like, it kind of looks like I should probably have a big old goblet of wine or something. Anyways, not sure about that one. I'm actually thinking I kind of like these ones better. Just on these tall ones. They're kind of cool. So anyways, we are gonna make some stuff. So with these little guys here, that are my very, very favorites, I think I'm just gonna put plain these guys on, just plain. So they're just so darn pretty. I mean, I don't even think they need anything. So It's a little wiggly actually. I'm going to swap that out. Another thing that you want to do before you glue anything together, you're going to want to run all this stuff through the dishwasher. All of these I just did. They're nice and crystal clear. I just ran a whole load of stuff through the dishwasher before I brought this stuff up. So these are nice and clean, and I am not going to glue, I'm going to glue them this way. So I'm going to glue like this, and like this. Better. So I just re-washed this to make sure it was good and clean, because once it's glued, you can't get back to the inside of this cup. You can wash the outside, but not the inside. So kind of want to know where about we're going. We want it to be nice and centered. And I'm just going to glue this up. So a little bit of glue all the way around on the edge. I don't want to wait too long, and we're going to just get this right. I'm just going to pop this guy off to the side to dry. I decided to use these. So I bought these at the secondhand store for 75 cents each. And this is another dollar store one. I've already put this little butterfly on it that's also from the dollar store. So I don't know if I'm gonna leave that or not, but it just peels off. So these guys, I think, make really cool candle holders like this. I think they're gorgeous. Okay, so we're gonna do the same with these ones. We're gonna glue a couple of these guys up. I did this one previously, and I just wanted to show you how I ended up embellishing it. So this is what it looks like done. Hopefully you can see. There you go. Okay, so I'm just going to do this one up the same. Also, I have to tell you that I ended up using a different glue. The glue that I used, which was Quick Grip, didn't grip very well. When I went to wash it, it actually just fell apart. So I used this instead. This is it's aquarium silicone. I had it at home, so it's good for underwater, so you could wash it and it won't fall apart. Anyway, so this one's been done with this silicone. So now I'm just going to embellish it, and here's what I'm going to use to make it the same as the other one. So these I got from the dollar store, and these I believe are also from the dollar store or from Walmart, but I'm pretty sure I got them from the dollar store. So anyways, one of these butterflies, and I'm going to just match it up to this one. So I've got them the same, so it's this size. And I'm going to try and make it sort of the same as my, oh, he lost his little antenna. Antler? It's not a reindeer, he's a butterfly. Okay, so I'm going to try and get him kind of on the same spot. So that's about right. Here we go. Beautiful. Now I just got to put his little antenna or antler on. So not a biggie if these guys kind of fall apart. And I'm sorry I'm not doing this facing you, but if I do it facing you, I won't be able to see what I'm doing. So there you go. So they're pretty much the same. I think they're pretty close to the same. Roundabout. And the next piece is the stuff on the top edge, and that's on this same sheet here. This was just a little piece, and I'm going to try and get it off in one long piece. And then I'm just gonna start sort of on the finish this. My video ran out, so I had to finish this piece. So the top piece is just nice and even right with the top edge. And then we got our butterfly on the front, and then we're going to use this stuff here. You can see that. And we're just going to do right around this edge here. We're going to do, I think probably based on my last one of these fits almost perfectly. Okay. So I'm going to start back here and right around. So we're right at the edge. And then push those pieces down. So I did top edge, that butterfly, and then this part here. So here is what they look like, all done. And I'm thinking I could just do this. But I think what I might do is I think I might fill these with colored water and put some floating candles in them because I think they might work really well for that. So I'm gonna do that up and show you what that looks like.